Hello, dear students. I am Niranjan Jha, a teacher of Mahatma Gandhi Shiksha Sansthan Darbhanga. This time I am going to teach the students of class 6. This is subject maths chapter 4. The name of this chapter is Basic Geometrical Concepts. This is fourth day on this chapter. Dear students, in previous 3 videos we have read basic concept. What is point, what is line segment, and so many new things. And we have also read about curve. What is curve? Curve, a figure. What is curve? A figure drawn in one stroke. A figure drawn in one stroke. Here one stroke means without lifting hand. Whatever we draw without lifting hand, that is a curve. All these are the examples of curve because we have drawn it without lifting hand. Without lifting hand, these are the curve. But this is not an example of curve. Why this is not a curve? Because we have drawn it in two strokes, one stroke and then other stroke. We have lifted our hand, so it is not a curve. Now we have read about open curve and open curve. First is the, what are the different? First is the curve, then open curve. What is open curve? A curve which do not end at the starting point is called open curve. I have started to draw a curve from here, and this is the start point. This is the start point A and end point B. A start point and end points both are separate, both are not same. So this is an example of open curve. This is an example of open curve. A start point is here and end point is here. Both are not at the same point. There are two free ends. So these are the examples of open curve. Now one is closed curve. Now there is closed curve. What is closed curve? A curve in which a start and end points are same is called closed curve. A start from here and end at the same point. A start point and end point both are same. We also can say there is no any free end. So it is an example of closed curve. This is a closed curve. But this is a open curve. This is open curve, closed curve. Now third is simple curve. What is simple curve? We have already read it. This time we are revising. Then we shall discuss a new topic. And what is simple curve? Draw two curves. This is a curve. And what is here? One side is crossing other side. Here one side is crossing other side. And draw another curve. This is also a curve, but no any side is crossing other side. Here in curve A, what we see, one side crosses other side, and in curve B, no any side is crossing other side. This is known as simple curve. This type of curve is known as simple curve. A curve in which, what is the definition? A curve which does not crosses itself is called a simple curve. This here no any side crosses itself, so it is a simple curve. Now we also can decide which type of curve is this. Which type of curve is this? Open curve, open curve. Now this is a closed curve. Now this is a closed curve and simple curve. Why it is simple curve? Because no any side is crossing itself, so it is a closed curve and simple curve. Now come to new topic, polygon. What is polygon? Here our new topic is polygon. We have to read about polygon. What is polygon? First we see the definition. A simple closed curve formed by line segment only is called a polygon. What are the properties of polygon? A simple, that curve should be simple, then it should be closed, and then should be a curve. If all these three properties will be there, then that will be a polygon. That curve will be a polygon. This is This is a polygon and formed by line segment only. Line segment only. Here one is. Now see both curve A and B. What are the properties? What are the characteristics of A and B? In A, this is a simple. A is also a simple. Why it is a simple? Because no any side is crossing other side. This is also a simple. Both are simple. This is also closed and this is also closed. Simple, closed. Both are curved. Why it is a curve? Because we have drawn it in one stroke. Without lifting hand we have drawn it. This is a curve. And this is line segment only. Line segment is formed by line segment only. And this is also a curve and no line segment. Here is no line segment. Now decide which is a curve, which is a polygon and which is not a polygon. What should be in a polygon? A simple closed curve. This is also simple, this is simple. This is also closed, this is also closed. This is also curved, this is also a curve. And formed by line segment only. A is formed only by line segment. So A is a polygon. A is a polygon. And B is not formed by line segment. Here we are seeing this portion is not a line segment. That is a curve. So it is not a polygon. Figure B is not a polygon. It means what is polygon? A simple closed curve formed by line segment only is called a polygon. Now I am drawing some figure and you have to decide which is a polygon and which is not a polygon. Which type of curve is this? This is a curve and open curve. This is also a open curve. This is a open curve. And this is a curve or not? This is not a curve. Why it is not a curve? Because we cannot draw it one stroke. I have drawn it after lifting the hand. First I have drawn this, then this and then this. So this is not a curve. This figure is not a curve. This is a curve or not? Yes, this is a curve. This is a curve. An open curve or closed curve? This is a open curve. Why this is open curve? Because ends are free. Open curve. Which is a simple curve? We have to decide. I am drawing figure and you reply. This is a, which one is simple curve? This is curve P and this is Q. Which is simple? This is simple. Why this is simple? Because no any side crossing other side. So this is a simple closed curve. Here one side crosses other side. So this is not a simple closed curve. Now, which is a polygon? Now you have to decide which curve is a polygon and which is not a polygon. This is figure A. This is figure B. And this is figure C. Which is a polygon and which is not a polygon. Here we are seeing this is also a simple closed curve. Simple because no any side is crossing other side. So this is simple. This is also simple. This is also simple. All are simple. All are closed. There is no any free end. No any free end. Here also no any free end. So all are closed. Simple, closed. And all the three can be drawn in one stroke. We have drawn in one stroke. I have drawn in one stroke. It also drawn in one stroke. And so all are curved. Simple closed curve. Simple closed curve. Three conditions are fulfilled in all the three figures. In A, B and C also. And the last one condition is that should be formed by line segment only. Here this portion is not a line segment. So this is not a curve. Here this is not a line segment. So this is not a curve. And here all sides are line segment. It is formed only by line segment. So this is a polygon. Figure C, only figure C is a polygon. This is a polygon or not? This is formed by line segment only. This is formed by line segment only. Now this is a polygon or not? This is simple, no any side is crossing. But this is formed by line segment, but this is not closed. This is not closed. So it is also not a polygon. So what condition should be fulfilled? That figure should be simple, closed, curve and formed by line segment only. Then that will be a polygon. Thanks. Now we shall read about different types of polygon. And then we shall read how the nomenclature of polygons are done and what are the different types of polygon. Thank you.